Dear philatelic lovers and stamp collectors, I have already loaded one Indian series stamps in the YouTube. This is the next part of the Indian series. Okay, it's in continuation of that YouTube. All right, this is the second part of the Indian collections of the stamps. Okay, I'll make it. I already made it into part one. This is a part two of the Indian collection. Okay. I have already uploaded many of the stamps in the YouTube for the benefit of stamp lovers and stamp collections. I don't call it as a professional collection. I call it as an amateur collection of stamps. Whatever stamps has come into my kitty, clipping into my album. Okay, now you can see some of the stamps of my collection of the Indians. As I told in my last video, I don't boast that these are all the rare stamps, but anyway, these are all the stamps belonging after 1960 and till almost 2017 18 I have collected the stamps. So I started my collection of stamps in the year 1960. I am 72 years old person and I've been collecting stamps right from my childhood days. There are a lot many stamps. Okay, I have to refer the catalogs to find out the value of each stamps. And I am yet to become a philatelic member of Karnataka. Once I become a philatelic member of Karnataka, I'll have to get my stamps shown to them and get it assessed also. Okay. As I told, I have lot many thematic collections and country-wise collection also, which I have loaded on the YouTube. Okay. This is the part two of the Indian stamp collections. I'll make either 3 or 4 parts, so all put together constitute Indian stamps. As I said, I got nearly 50 to 20,000 stamps in my kitty. I've even not counted how many, but there are many stamps in my kitty. All stamps worth seeing. All are in good conditions, not damaged. Each video I am going to make it only not more than 10 minutes. So it will be easy for the stamp lovers to see the collection of the stamps. Okay. As I said, I am not going to even describe my stamps, which year, what is the theme behind it and all that. That's a vast subject. I'll take it separately in my other videos. Okay. Now it is only a glance of the stamps which I have. As I said, see, this is one of the old stamps. It got mixed up over here, but still I'm going to preserve it and then bifurcate it later. Okay, you can see these are all old stamps, almost 1962, 63. Here this is 1962 collection. Okay, almost all my collection are all old series of India. Okay, recent stamps of the mint stamps through GPO are made a separate album. Okay. Okay, as I told, it's only a random collection and then random placements in the album. Okay, this I have placed it as per the size of the stamps, not as per the theme of the stamps, or not as per the age of the stamps, or not as per the issue dates of the stamps. Okay. It's all randomly placed. So this is a first glance to have how many stamps I have. Then later on I will scrutinize all my stamps and make it into different albums, a thematic collection wise. Okay. As I said, I don't want to make my videos not more than 10 minutes. Okay, this is the second part I'm covering it. Okay, this is the second part I'm covering it. I'll stop it at 10 minutes, then I'll go to the next part. Okay. Okay, I'll go to the next page of the album. Yeah, now you can see some more stamps over here. Okay, now here also, and here. Now you can see the heads here, which I think I have already covered in this thing. So I'm just stripping it now. I'm going to separate it later. I made separate stamps called as the King's Edwards, so on and so forth. Okay, now you can see I have put all double stamps put together also. I have to segregate all these stamps. Okay, these are all not called as this thing, thematic collection. These are rough estimation of the stamps which I have made. Okay, this is one of the album which I have got. I'll go to the next album where you can see some more stamps. Yeah, okay, nice one. These are all big issues. You can see nice stamps over here, all Indian stamps. Looks like most of them are the same stamps, but still I want to preserve it because they are very nice stamps. Okay, I can always exchange it later. Alright, this is 1985 series. Okay, then I'll go to the next page of the album. Yeah, okay. I'll just clip together as I said. That is why I'm going to just glance and show it to you. Okay, I'll hurry it up and show it to you. So very difficult to see each and every stamp. Okay, these are all some of the Gandhi and Nehru stamps put together. Okay, some of the same this thing were duplicates were there. Made everything into one album over here. Okay, now you can also see over here some of the stamps. These are all the duplicate stamps. Okay, yeah, I showed you a dance series of the stamps also. You can easily see over here and all that. Okay, now I've already covered some of my old collections albums separately, so I'll not go to it. So I'll show only the Indian stamps now. Now you can see this is a beautiful series of old stamps. Okay, you can only see all saints over here. Swamijis and saints over here. Okay, now you can see some of the warriors over here. Kings and warriors over here of India, a Tipu Sultan stamp. Okay. Alright. So some more stamps over here. Michelangelo stamps also here. Okay. Yeah, I'll stop at this. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my video. I'll cover rest of the stamps in part 3 of the album. Thank you.